Hello, today we are solving Jan 2024 Unit 2 IAL paper, question number 1, A, part A. So, the subpart 7 is return on capital employed. We have to calculate return on capital employed. We will take the net profit before the interest and tax divided by capital employed times 100. So, we will have to include that and calculate. So, what is the net profit before the interest and tax was paid? Is equal to, we have net profit after interest, okay, but before tax. So, interest was paid, so we will have to add up the interest paid, okay. So, that is going to be equal to, we have this value plus the interest paid, okay. What was the interest paid? Let's calculate. So, the total interest paid was, first one is, we have the interest on debenture. The interest on debenture was at 11% of this 20 million. Plus we have interest on the bank loan. Bank loan was to 400,000, okay, to 400,000, and the interest paid was 14%, okay. Plus we have interest on redeemable preference share. It is also a liability. So, 8 million shares, okay, the interest paid was at, so the total value is 1.2, 8 million shares into 1.2 pounds into 4%, okay. That many number of shares are being paid dividend, okay, dividend. So, all this we have to add up. So, that is going to be equal to 200,000 plus 14% of 400,000, that is going to be equal to 336,000, okay, plus 8 into 1.2 into 4%, so that is going to be equal to 384,000, okay. So, the entire thing when you add up, you will get 6,735,000. So, this was the net profit before the interest and before any tax was paid, okay. So, this is the amount, and then we have the capital employed, which is the debt plus equity, okay, which is the debt plus equity. Debt we had calculated to be around 32 million in the previous gearing ratio calculation. Equity was around 68 million. So, now let's calculate the return on capital employed, okay. So, that is going to be equal to this value 673,000, okay, 6,735,000. So, that is the net profit before any tax or interest was paid divided by the capital employed was total debt plus equity. Total debt was 32 million, okay, plus we have the equity, which is 68 million, the entire thing you will find and you will calculate it. So, that is going to be equal to 32 plus 68. So that is equal to 100 million times 100, so that is going to be equal to 6.74 percentage. So this was the return on capital employed.